hypnotize you with every line. I'll need a volunteer. How about you with the eyes? Come on down to the front, stay right here and don't be shy. I have you time traveling, have your mind babbling. People trying to inherit the skills, so they asking it. Even David Blaine had to go and take some classes, and I see Mind Freak like, what's up, man? What's happening? So come on and see the show tonight. Prepare to be astounded, no ghost or poltergeist. You know I'm no Pinocchio, I never told a lie. So call me Mr. Magic Man, I float on cloud nine.
Okay guys, thank you guys for watching my video, skills, soccer skills part 2. Please put a like on that video, and if you want to see more, subscribe to my channel, and pretty much thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys next time.
Take a journey into my mind, you see why it's been in my rhyme. Stay on the road, so I got my